Hey guys, Adrian here from the Digital Dojos, and today we're going to be taking a look at the HP TouchSmart 520 PC. I will be unboxing this, review soon to come. So this is a look at the HP TouchSmart PC. I got this, it was on sale for I think just about $540 now. It used to be around, I think retail was $900, so it was on sale, but this is also a unit for specifically for review, so this will be reviewed, and then I'm actually shipping this out. This is going with my parents to the Philippines, their house, or their retirement house kind of type thing. So yeah, I just got this for review purposes, and I figured anyways the money will kind of reimburse itself, because I do want to do some testing with this. I also am probably looking to wipe the hard drive and throw Windows 8 on it to get the full Metro UI experience, or dual boot Windows 8 on the HP TouchSmart 520. It's no means, a super powered machine, but again, I'm only using it for certain purposes, and then afterwards it's going to be given down to use as a machine for my parents. It's a multi-touch enabled 23-inch diagonal full HD LED backlit display. It's running the Intel i3, specifically the 2120 processor. This is the Generation 2 model of the i3. I'm not sure the gigahertz specifically, does it say? But it is 64-bit with 4 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive, so that's really, really good. Obviously, I'll probably have it for maybe a month or a couple weeks and get the review out before I send it back out to the Philippines. And then I'm sure 1 terabyte should be more than enough for my parents, so that's good. Intel HD graphics, that's just mediocre. Slot loading drive, has Beats audio quality sound. I'm looking forward to seeing how that sounds. Wall mountable, has that HP TouchSmart software. Again, I'm probably wiping Windows 7 Home Premium and or dual booting Windows 8 on it. And then, yeah, that's about it. So, we're going to go ahead and take a look and open up the box here. We have, I'm guessing looks like the keyboard box, obviously. Nothing special. Again, it is a touchscreen PC, but also, obviously, you can use the keyboard and mouse, standard keyboard, HP keyboard. So I'm going to go ahead and put that aside. Keep in mind, the review will probably be up, like I said, in a couple weeks. I'm going to use it first, do my testing, etc., etc., and then review it, and then once I get done with it, ship it out. I'm guessing there's nothing in here but packaging. Specifically, it's kind of hard to box this with one hand here. Alright, so yeah, this is the thing that is holding the TouchSmart in there. For now, this will be going right next to my iMac, so it'll look kind of nice next to that. This box, I'm guessing, is holding all the peripherals. I kind of want to set this box down right here on my chair, and then open it like so. Okay, it's upside down. So it looks like inside we have, I'm guessing this is the mouse. Yeah, it's your regular standard HP wired mouse. So that's wired, yeah. I'm looking more forward, obviously, to the touch functionality. Some manuals, your power brick, which is pretty big. Looks almost like a laptop power brick, actually, so you can see that. Along with your standard cables, power cables, etc. And then, of course, in the actual box is the HP TouchSmart, which I'm going to lift out and kind of pre-package everything, because again, I'm going to be shipping the box out in a couple months or so, so I want to keep everything in the box. So I'm going to take this out and we'll see how it is set up. Here we have the famous plastic coming off on all tech products. You usually see that. You also have it on the bottom base here, which has some tape around it, so it's going to be kind of hard to remove with one hand here. But I'll try to see what I can do here. And I'm guessing it's just going to kind of slide off. So you can already see that there's a Beats audio on these speakers, so that's something I'm looking forward to. You have the webcam here at the top. I'm not sure about the megapixels. I would guess just a standard one. Profile, again, kind of obviously thick because the desktop isn't all-in-one. Has your slot loading, or your drive right here that you can, I'm guessing it's just slot loading since it's open. And then on the following, I'm guessing you have your ports. Yep, you have your ports back here. So you can see you have your SD card slot. You have two, looks like USB 3.0 ports, because 3.0 is usually colored blue to specify the USB, or is that, I'm guessing that, yeah, it looks like USB 3.0. Your standard audio jacks on the back. Looks like you have some more connections here, just kind of stepping back. I don't know if you guys can see those down there. I'm trying to focus in on them. Looks like you can't really see, but you have 4 USB ports on the back, so total of 6 USB ports. You have a Ethernet port, your power port, and looks like some stuff for subwoofer sound, etc. External audio ports, so that'd be nice. And you have the handle and the mount on the back. kind of taking a step back, here's what the HP TouchSmart looks like, and it is looking very, very nice there. You can see the iMac right parallel to it in the back on my desk there. I will be setting this up on the desk, and I guess I'll show you guys the first boot. Here we are for the first boot, and it is on, right now I just stuck out on my desk. It is really makeshift, not a permanent spot. I know a lot of you requested for the room tour. I'm hoping to get that up very soon. I know I always delay that. Anyhow, this is a new addition to the desk, so I gotta fit this in. We're gonna go ahead with the first boot here. I have nothing plugged in. I'm just going to use a touch interface straight up without any keyboard or mouse. And the keyboard and mouse are actually wireless. Over here, I thought they were wired earlier, but you can see both are wireless, so that is a nice add-on. So we obviously have Windows 7 Home Premium on here. This is the first boot. I got to go ahead, make a user account, etc. So you can see here, very, very glossy display, 23 inches diagonal, built in with Beats audio. That's something I'm very looking forward to. Testing out and using in the review. You can see me there, very reflective. Multi-touch screen, very media-based computer. And as it goes, we're going to let it set up, prepare for the first use. So hang tight. Setup, literally I just ran through the setup. I got to get rid of all the crapware, all of that. Just to show you, it is multi-touch, like I said. Here we'll open up Paint, expand this if we can. There you go. So I'm just going to take a brush here, so you can see there. You can draw 2 fingers. I can write, anything here, so. And you can see, like I said, multi-touch. I can take other colors, for example. Use multiple fingers and just kind of scribble across. Looks like it tracks fine with 2 fingers, so. But when I see if I add 3, I think we tend to have an issue there. So it doesn't really track the 3rd finger. I think there is obviously HP software that comes built in with the actual computer by itself, like all the crapware, all that stuff. But they also have a lot of They also have a lot of like multi-touch things, like the wallpapers and or not wallpapers, but environment stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and you can see here, like I said, you can just drag, drop. Everything works perfectly. They have an on-screen keyboard built in with Windows. I'm going to go ahead and adjust everything. I'm looking to probably throw Windows 8 on here, and then we will have the review up in probably a couple weeks, followed by my iMac 27-inch review as well, because I've been meaning to post that. So this is the HP TouchSmart 520 PC. I got this for review. I will be getting the review up posted. I know it's a little bit of an older model. It's a little bit more of a base consumer model, not really for the power users of that sort, but it can handle a lot. It has an i3. You can get it with an i5 and or i7. You can also, obviously it has Windows 7 on it. It's an all-in-one design, so that's definitely something is an advantage for it. So check it out soon, coming to digitaldojos.com.